Big night. Right, Derek?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Is your wife gone?
What does that mean?
We'll go get some beer.
Well, let's do it. Might have to. I'm on holidays. No drinking and working. That's the deal. We'll have one after, maybe. Look at this. This is a transmission in the transfer case, and we're gonna raise her up in the air and maybe push that frame in. Hey, Derek?
Yep.
Okay, my job's to center it because I'm good with centering. The Titanic is being raised. The Ebenezer. Oh boy, look at that chain under the stress of the weight of that big heavy deal. Oh, sounds like a wedding night. Is that a wedding night? That's a wedding night, eh, Derek?
We must have been at the Rusty Bolt or something.
That's
Motel.
the rusty wedding night. It's like when you, like, jeez. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Okay, stop. Let's have a smoke. Oh, and he stops. Here, let me do that, Derek. Well, we didn't have a videographer, but we did have Lucas. Thanks, buddy. She's in the shop, and Derek's maneuvering already. He's already jogging. Here, let me move that chair. Look at him go. We're gonna clear. Ooh, that's tight. Next video will be going in. Actually, I can video. Ooh. The mounts, right, Derek?
Yeah.
They're gonna be tight.
You're gonna be tight, buddy.
None tight.
Right, grab your hammer.
You know, if you move that thing, I'll hit it. There's the hammers right there. I got two out. Look at that. It's like, oh, cool. Oh yeah, what? It's a mighty good wrist action you got there, Derek.
That's fucking shifting gear.
Just shifting gear. This thing's tight. The last one we had the frickin' just grizzly buried in.
I don't know. It still feels a little tight.
Yeah.
That thing.
Fuck, not a bad idea actually. Get a little bit of lube.
Grab some grease.
What do you boys want?
Some-
I don't know. I felt like I was in jail for a second in there.
Lucas needs some lube.
I need some fucking lube. I need to make it go in. It's too big.
Oh no, let's bolt it in like we did. That was good.
Yeah,
That worked.
a little bit more.
What a bastard this is! Holy smokes! It's so tight. I got the other one in. This one's being a so and so and so. Hey Derek, a so and so and so. So and so. We're gonna get this. We'll get this in.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna put some horns on you, buddy. There you go. All right, we did it, boys. Well done, Dirk. Well done, Lucas.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look slick? Orange and black.
All right.
Tiger, right? Tiger?
Looks good.
You need a beer, Derek?
Hey, go get the beer, man.
All right, done. Yeah, I wasn't recording a damn thing. All right, we got the carb off. We got the valve covers off. And this engine is going in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Excitement. Excitement plus. Oh, that frame. I gotta say, Rusty Nut Garage again. What a job they did. This frame is spectacular. Spectacular. Oh, hang on. I'll help you, Derek. Hold on, buddy.
That all off and then bring clean.
Yeah, you want me to clean that?
Yep.
Okay. Look at that. She's in the air. Derek, thumbs up. Derek's got a thumbs up. And I'll tell you, this $150 jack that we bought, 3 months ago, has paid itself off tenfold. Tenfold, eh, Derek? What a score that was. Thanks, Mr. French Canadian, whoever that was we bought out in the middle of the field. Sort of sketchy deal, whatever that was. Anyway, it was awesome. Engines in the air.